Mr. Rajat Dixit, many congratulations on securing All India rank 10 in electrical engineering in ESC 2020 examination.
So thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for having me here, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Mr. Rajat, please tell us briefly about your educational background.
Sir, I had done my undergraduation from HBTI Kanpur in the year 2018 from electrical engineering. And then after that, I got placement in Aditya Birla Group, but I hadn't joined and started my preparation for GATE and engineering services. Uh,
Okay. In GATE, what was your rank in the 2021?
Sir, I hadn't appeared for 2021. My rank in GATE 2020 is All India rank 135.
135. Okay. So you started your preparation for engineering services in the 2018.
Yes, sir.
So you might have given the exam in 2018, 19, 20 also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this was your third attempt or fourth attempt?
Sir, third attempt.
Third attempt. What about your first attempt, second attempt?
Sir, I missed the prelims by just a margin of 5 to 6 marks, and because of which I hadn't appeared for mains in my previous two attempts. And this year, I cleared both all three stages, previous mains and interview.
Okay, Rajat, a very interesting point. You were not able to make through in the first and second attempt, but you are
Yes,
able to make in the third attempt, that too with a good rank, All India rank 10.
yes, sir.
So, from your previous experiences of attending the engineering service examination 2018 and 19, what did you learn and what changes you have made and what was brought you to success in the 2020?
The very first thing that I had done in my previous attempt is that I focused more on uh, getting ranks in the test instead of properly analyzing the test, properly analyzing my mistakes, whatsoever I am committing in that test. Because of which, though I get decent ranks in the test series, but could not be able to make such good ranks in the main examination.
Right. Okay, Rajat. See, in your electrical engineering, there are so many subjects. So, tell us which subjects were more helpful in scoring more marks in the examination.
सर जो बेसिक सब्जेक्ट्स हैं जैसे हमारा पावर सिस्टम्स है इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन्स है पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है सर दीज आर द कोर सब्जेक्ट्स फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग एंड क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन इट कम्स फ्रॉम प्रीलिम्स एंड मेंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू they are quite high scoring as well but with the change of pattern after 2017 uh, the UPSC is quite focusing on subject related to electronics like analog electronics communication so these subjects are also becoming important in the coming years.
Right. So, from Yes Engineering Academy, which coaching program you have availed?
So I had joined ACE Academy's mains exclusive batch and offline and online test series for mains and interview guidance program.
Right. So, you have availed Yes online live classes for your mains examination.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell us how this Yes Academy online live classes helped you in cracking this examination.
So before starting my mains preparation, I was quite confused as because the syllabus of electrical engineering is quite vast. So from what to read and what not to read, for considering mains point of view, and what are the derivation that one need to prepare, what are the numericals, what are the concepts that UPSC is quite focusing on. So the mains batch had helped me a lot to jot down my areas on which I have to focus more, and the areas which I have to focus less which all the derivation I need to prepare, which are the numericals, which are the type of numericals which I need to prepare, which I need to solve. So the mains batch had helped me in that respect, sir.
Right. While attending this Yes live classes, could you prepare any notes also additionally?
Sir, I am preparing the notes along with the classes, and then after that I had to jot down the important numericals and important derivations from that.
Okay. Right. Apart from this Yes live classes and our Yes material, did you refer to any other additional textbook?
So for few subjects like electrical machines and power electronics, I had referred some standard books. Rest for rest subjects, I hadn't referred any books. I had just gone through the ACE Academy's material for mains.
Okay, Rajat, nice. What about this general studies and engineering aptitude paper that you have to study in the prelims? There are 10 different topics there, like current issues, project management, and engineering mathematics, ethics and values, and energy and environment like this. So how could you do preparation for these 10 topics in the engineering, in the general studies?
So the main difficulty in the prelims is the vastness of the topics. Like these are very generalized topics, and one need to be very thorough with that. I will suggest that the online and offline test series of ACE Academy is quite helpful in that respect. It helps the student to go through the areas which are quite important in particular subject and to prepare us accordingly.
Okay. Did you prepare any short notes for these topics? General studies
Yes,
topics?
sir. Yes, sir. I made short notes of the important terms that are coming in a particular subjects for general studies, sir.
Okay. What about the short notes that you have prepared for other technical subjects?
So in technical subjects, I had prepared short notes for the important concepts, some important formulas, and also the questions that I'm getting wrong in the test series. I made short notes of that also, sir.
Okay. So, did you attend all those mock tests?
Yes, sir.
Right.
I had attended each and every test of a second, sir.
So, how you used to score in those mock tests?
Sir, I used to score under 10 in those tests. In some tests, I got around 20 or 30 rank, but major test I got under 10 rank.
Okay, your rank, what you used to get in the ACE mock test series is somewhat
Yes, sir.
replicated by
Yes,
your
sir.
actual rank
Yes, I got affected in my final results, sir.
real engineering exam also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, Rajat. Rajat, see, when it comes to the mains examination of engineering services, you require a lot of writing skills, writing
Yes,
practice,
sir.
etc. Isn't it? That too, because the actual exam is going to be held in the QCA booklet format. You
Yes,
need to
sir.
have a practice along those lines, isn't it?
Yes,
So,
sir.
how do you do that practice for your mains examination?
So there is no better alternative than going for test series so as to prepare that QCAB format. It helps to analyze how much one need to write in a particular question and what to write and what not to write and how to present that a particular answer. The
Right,
test series is quite helpful in that respect, sir.
right. So, the test series will help you to improve your
Yes,
writing
sir.
skills,
Writing skills, sir.
especially this
Yes.
mains examination.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, well, Rajat, see, preparing for this engineering service examination from 2018 onwards, it is a very long journey in your case, right? Not only your case, there are many students who cracked this examination in their third attempt, second attempt like this. See, in this long journey of your preparation, have you ever come across any amount of pressure, demotivation, losing interest, any such kind?
Due to this COVID pandemic, the mains examination got shifted. Firstly, it came to July and then to October. So I got quite demotivated in that respect. But then I thought that if I maintain the continuity in my preparation, I can utilize that particular COVID period to improve my ranks.
No, in fact, some students have said that because of the COVID conditions and lockdown, etc., they got more preparation time because
Yes,
after
sir. Yes, sir.
prelims exam, the mains exam
Yes,
was
sir.
almost
Yes,
10
sir.
months later.
Yes, sir. After my prelims exam, I totally shifted towards mains and I started practicing previous year question of mains examination. And then I had utilized my COVID period also to improve my writing skills and answer presentation and my depth about the particular subjects. Sir.
Okay, Rajat. When it comes to the mains examination, right? What generally students say that is selection of questions and the time management. These are the two key factors in the mains examination. So,
Yes,
in
sir.
your
Yes, sir.
case, how could you manage that?
So, first I chosen the question that one need to compulsory question. The compulsory question has 5 parts. I had chosen the part that I seen that I can do in first attempt only. Then after the among the out of the remaining questions, I had selected the question in which I could be able to score more. So I had done an analysis among the in comparative analysis between the questions in whichever question I'm scoring more. I had attempted in them first, and whichever I'm scoring less, I'd score. I'd prioritize them to be attempted in the at last, sir.
Right. Could you answer all the 5 questions within the given time of 3 hours?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in the both papers of conventional, you could answer
Yes,
all
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
questions.
I literally I attempted the whole paper of paper one and paper two of mains.
Oh, good, very good. Mr. Rajat, you said you have attempted all the 5 questions in the both papers, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Approximately how many marks you would have got in these 2 papers of conventional mains exam? Approximately.
Sir, after seeing the answer key from the ACE website, sir, I had calculated it around 420 or 430 around. Uh,
Right.
I was getting around 420 and 430.
Okay. What about the prelims exam? Out of 500 marks, how many marks you would have got?
Sir, after checking from answer key, sir, I am getting around, sir, 295.
Okay. 295 prelims means is good marks, right? Nearly 300
Yes,
marks
sir.
means good marks, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the good marks in the prelims exam and also your good performance in the mains examination. So after these 2 experiences, have you ever expected that you are going to get such a good rank in the engineering studies examination?
Sir, I am expecting is some a particular rank between 1 to 10. So I had got around 10. Sir. After giving my interview, I was also expecting to be under 10.
Right. How was the interview experience? Can you tell us 1 or 2 interesting questions?
So my interview totally was on Uttar Pradesh power sector and electricity sector of the country. They had majorly asked about the maximum power demand of the Uttar Pradesh state, about the pumped storage power plants, about SCADA and RTU, how they works, the basics about DC machines and induction motors. There are a few questions from control systems as well, like Bode plot and Nyquist plot. Chairperson had asked about my basic intro and about my job experience and my technical qualification.
Okay. Totally out of this questions which are asked in the interview, how many questions approximately you would have answered correctly?
So I had answered about 80% of the questions correctly out of the questions that asked.
Right. Very good, Rajat. See, with your experience with the engineering studies examination and with the rank what you have got, right? You are one of the best person to advise your juniors. So,
Yes, sir.
for those aspirants of engineering studies examination, what type of suggestions and tips that you want to give?
So the first tip that I want to give to my fellow aspirants is to never give up on your dreams. If you wish to go for UPSC, then give your best and work hard. UPSC is a mere check of your patience and perseverance, and one day the result will come, and you will surely get selected if you work hard and target towards your goals.
Right. With this, what was your first preference in the? What was your first order of preference in the services?
So first preference of mine is Central Power Engineering Services Group A.
Right. Second option?
The second option is Central Electrical and Mechanical Engineering Services.
I think with your 10th rank, you are going to get mostly the very first preference, I think, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right. After joining engineering services, do you have any idea of continuing further for civil services, anything as such?
So I haven't decided yet, but I'm thinking of to go towards civil services as well, to attempt civil services as well.
Right. Very good, Rajat. I once again congratulate you and
Thank you, sir.
thank you for sharing your valuable experience. I
Thank
think
you very
the
much, sir.
points which you have discussed will be certainly very useful for the aspirants of engineering service examination. I once again
Yes, sir.
congratulate you and wish you all the
Thank you,
best
sir.
in all your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, then. All the best, Rajat. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.